What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Trading Learning 101. Got another playbook play for you guys here, or just another way you could use Finviz. This video is going to be about how you can look and see insider selling and insider buying. If you go to Finviz home, when you load up Finviz, you go to the Insider tab right here, click on that, and it'll bring up all the insider selling, buying, and options exercise. You can see that right here by the transaction. If it's orange, it's a sale. If it's red, it's a sale. Green is a buy. Black, they options exercise. You can filter it by all transactions, buy transactions, or sell transactions. Let's look at the buy transactions. You got a whole list of here of the ticker here on the left, and if you hover over it with your mouse, it'll bring up a chart for you. The owner who did the purchase, the relationship to the company, the date, the transaction, the cost of what they purchased it at, the number of shares, the money value of how many shares they've purchased, the total number of shares that they have, and the SEC form right here. And you could just click on the SEC form and it'll bring right up the SEC filing, so you can go over and look through the SEC filing real quick. They also have a couple other tabs up here. Latest insider trading, you could click on that. Top insider trading recent week, you can click on that. And also top 10% owner trading recent week. So it looks like here on May 29th, Hill Path Capital Partners LP, there's two of them right here. They bought 13.2 million shares at a value of $352 million. And they got it at an average cost of $26.71. So let's look at SEAS. So here's the daily chart on SEAS. SeaWorld Entertainment. The date they purchased the shares, May 26, fell on a Sunday. So you could see when the market opened right here with this candle on May 28th, it had a huge gap up from 27 all the way up to $30. And it even ran all the way up to $32. That's a big move for SeaWorld. I like to try to look at this every day if I could, and every weekend, to try to see if there is any big buyers or big sellers in the market, adding them to my watch list. Doing this is actually pretty fun. Going through, and Finviz has it set up so easy to where if you see someone selling a big size, 119,000 shares right here, I can go right over, I can see who the person is, what the company is, and I can hover my mouse right over it and it'll pull up a little mini chart so I can see it in action. And then if I wanted, I could click on it and it'll bring up the chart and all the great information that Finviz brings up. Out of all the websites out there, Finviz has to be my favorite, hands down, for the stock market. Finviz is absolutely free, or you could sign up for a Finviz Elite for $35 a month if you wanted. But I use Finviz every single day. But again, just to show you guys, it's under the Insider tab right here. I think that's going to wrap it up for this video. Another playbook played for you guys to add into the playbook. Or if you didn't know about this before, now you do. Just do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button. It lets me know that you guys like the content that I'm putting out. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And until next time, guys, have that patience, have that discipline, and study, study, study. Alright, later everyone.